is here. I've been wanting me a everyday purse for a while, and I have been shopping around. I mean, like for over a year, I've been wanting one, and I finally got what I wanted. It was between this and the Coach Kiss Lock, which I knew I would not be carrying every day. It's just not, the Kiss Lock was just not an everyday purse. And so, are y'all ready? Drum roll, please. I went with this one. Let's see if I can get the paper off. Like, everybody thinks I have a lot of purses, but I really don't. I have a lot of crossbodies, and then I get tired of purses, and so I get rid of them on Poshmark. I sure do. And so I was like, y'all know what? It's time for me to stop carrying that backpack and get me a purse. Oh my God. Oh, look at it. So yeah. Ooh. It's nothing like that. First smell of leather. So there she is. I haven't bought a new purse in a while. I know you guys probably buy them all the time, but Miss Sheila does not. I think the last purse I bought was a Dooney Bourke crossbody. Oh, this is cute, and it feels so good. And then what I got to go with it? Let's see. I think I bought a coin purse or something. I tried to think of the things that I needed that I don't have, because who not going back for a long time is I. Oh, okay. Yep, I got this. I call it a coin purse. I don't know what y'all call it, but it's so cute and it's so soft. And then this, I'm almost sure, is the wallet. I thought it wasn't coming until tomorrow, but it showed up today on the porch. And I was like, ooh, cool, just in time. Yeah, that's what it is. I was like, girl, you are too old to be doing a reveal or open your box or whatever you want to call it. I was like, I don't care. I'm going to show the people what I got. So, yeah, y'all, what do y'all think about my purchase? Did I do good? Did I do good or did I do good? Y'all let me know. This is going to be so cute. Y'all know I got some decorations coming, little accessories that I'm going to be putting on her. So yeah, y'all hang around and I'll let y'all know. This is cute. I'm carrying this today. I got a little business meeting class I'm going to today. Since she's my everyday purse, she is going, I guess I need to take the stuffing out. She is going everywhere with me. Ooh, Lord, there's a lot of stuffing in there. And then my dust bag, my strap, which I probably won't use very often. I don't like skinny straps for some reason. It kind of annoy me. So I don't know. Y'all let me know if I can find a wider strap. But hey, y'all let me know that I did good. It's not scratched up or anything. Okay, I see you. See you, girl. I see you, girl. Really, really cute. I love these little tassels. I think that's what I really, really liked was the hardware. So yeah. Okay, people.